932 feet long, and which by coincidence is also the year of its completion, 1932. It's the only bridge of this design on the continent. In fact, there's only one other like it in the world, and that bridge is in France. The other direction a little faster this time. Brace yourself up. Okay. Too much movement up there in the front. Instead of worrying about taking pictures, worry about leaning back. We're going to try it one more time. Brace yourself up. Alright, much better. You guys are on your own from here on out. Let's start sliding sideways like I'm going to spin the boat. Brace yourself up. Now this small stream to our left is called Lobster Creek. It was named that by the early settlers in the area due to the fact it has numerous, or had numerous and large crayfish in it, or crawdads. Now the large rock is called Massacre Rock. It gets its name because soldiers and settlers laid an ambush on top of it. Hey, there's our osprey directly overhead.
There we go.
Anyways, back to Massacre Rock. Soldiers and settlers laid an ambush on top of it and shot and killed 2 canoes full of Indians as they passed underneath. Now, it was in retribution for an attack made upon Ellensburg. But they killed the wrong Indians. In fact, killed some that were friendly with the settlers and often traded with them. Alright, we found an osprey. I've been managing to find at least one osprey trip here lately. There's always a few that kind of hang out, stay a little longer than the others, and occasionally you'll see one that'll stay all winter long. Most of the time, I think the ones that stay all winter long are the old ones that can't make the trip all the way south. Now the Lobster Creek Bridge before us marks the beginning of the wild and scenic portion of the Rogue River. Underneath the 1968 Wild and Scenic Rivers Act, the Rogue River was one of the original 8 rivers listed. Under this listing, 3 designations: wild, scenic, and recreational. We're now going to the recreational portion. Woohoo! 10 miles upstream, we'll enter into the scenic. And then 8 miles above our turnaround point, Agnes, is the beginning of the wild. Now, each one becomes a bit more restrictive as to the amount of access and development that's allowed along the roads, banks, and waterways.
Captain Jack Sparrow!
I can't hear you guys.
That is beautiful.